We will do the same when you find out why. So stay with us to know more about this interesting experience. Here we go. Before we start with this info, I would like to ask you a simple question. How often do you eat garlic? Well, you should eat it every day because it's loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many healthy benefits. Did you know that you can use this powerful ingredient to prevent and treat many different health problems? Well, yes, you can use this super healthy vegetable to treat and prevent many different ailments, such as treat and prevent liver problems and diseases, prevent baldness, and cleanse your arteries and purify the blood, relieve the symptoms of the cold and the flu. And you should also know that garlic is also extremely helpful with other respiratory problems. While they were building the pyramids, the Egyptians chewed raw garlic, probably because its powerful antibiotic and medicinal properties. Garlic is loaded with allicin, which is the most powerful compound. You should always consume raw garlic. You can increase its powers by crushing it, but you will destroy it if you cook it. This is why you should crush it, leave it for 15 minutes and then eat it. You can add some vegetable oil and parsley to eliminate the strong odor. Why put garlic under your pillow? Did you know that some people in many countries around the world put garlic under their pillow before they go to sleep? Well, these people put garlic under their pillow to improve their sleep. And other people put garlic in their pockets for good luck. While other people around the world rub their pans and pots with this vegetable to eliminate the negativity from those spirits that might have contaminated the food. I really think that you should definitely try this simple technique. This is a good reason why you should try this simple method. It's very simple. You just have to put a garlic clove in your pocket and under your pillow. It will help you sleep much better and help you eliminate all negative energy around you.